Now that you've navigated to Moovly and successfully logged in, it's time to select your pre-existing template. Once you have decided to use one of the templates, you will be brought to this page here, where you'll see certain types of templates, such as our financial templates here, ranging from $60 to $90, or some of the max templates, which are labeled as max here, cost money for either the bundle or for a max membership. However, Moovly offers tons of free templates as well. And if you continue scrolling, you can start to see some of those free templates down here. Additionally, each template is broken up into one of the categories marked here on the left. There are tons of free templates in these categories, and the one that I particularly love is the education category, because as a student studying school librarianship, I know that this is a category that I'll use a lot. However, depending on whatever you're making your movie about, you can also select other things to add as well, such as seasonal, social media, news, or whatever you need. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to focus on one of the educational templates. So, whenever you are looking at these general templates, you can scroll over them to get a preview of what that video will look like. Notice this one here is marked as max, and even though it's really beautiful, I am not going to pay, so I'm going to keep on moving. And there are tons of different really cute and professional looking videos that you can very easily create. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use this first one, this doodle animation. And so in order to select it, I will double click. And it'll bring me to this screen here, which is going to start our video editing process. Go ahead and check out my next video for all things related to video editing and all of the awesome online tools Moovly has to offer.